Like, I literally can't go like 5 seconds without my head just giving me a big headache.
Yeah, I get that.
They shot some officers there, so that's why you see all those units down there. And I was FTOing too today, so yep, that's where I was on Tech Zero right now. So yep, hey, might as well. And then people have been breaking and entering like a motherfucker. Oh no. Oh, that's a jailbreak. That's a jailbreak. Do we have an active jailbreak going on? Oh my god. They went on attack 1? It was on attack 1, so Ruby. Ruby. I think it's a jail alarm going off, possible break or something going on.
Go in.
I can't do a whole lot. I'm at the courthouse. And I have to be here mandatory, so. God damn it. Fucking jail alarm going off and everything. Jesus. A lot of shit going on. Too much.
One of those days.
Yep. Like someone's breaking out of jail or something going on.
Has your head been aching today?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god, yours too? Like really,
yeah,
really
like
bad.
every 10 seconds.
Yeah,
okay, good. It's not just me. Thank you.
It's the city. We can make this quick if you want to, because the primary officer, arresting officer, isn't even going to be here.
Yeah, essentially, what's your name?
Zachary Bowman. Kind of like a witness. He put my name
I'm
down.
probably going to get your statement tossed.
Yeah, I would, personally. Because I think that was kind of bullshit.
It's... Yeah, I'm not...
I'm just saying right now.
Can you just say that?
It's Kirstabella.
I'm going to say that the whole thing should be tossed, to be honest with you, man.
I know, right? And why did he take my laptop? I don't understand that. Like, I have other charges on me, and I can
get that back. I can get that back.
Well, it's probably dead by now, right?
Oh yeah, probably. And what's the incident number again? I could look at it real quick.
I want my phone
this
dongle
whole thing
back
should be thrown
too. That was a legal search of my vehicle.
What was it?
Phone dongle?
It's okay, Kirstabella.
Dongle is technically police seizure, regardless.
But it was violation of Fourth Amendment rights.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, it's just something he... Yeah, Ash honestly shouldn't have done that. So.
Let's see.
The
case number is 11025.
Okay. Whoa. That's fired.
This
like
is
actually
outside.
And still. Oh, and officer's down. Great. Man, sure picked a hell of a day to have court and they're in a bunch of stuff going on. Okay, here we go.
God, these headaches are crazy.
I agree. Let's see, actually, your lockpick's expired, but your iFruit Pass still has about 35% left.
And I bought it the day he took it from me. I want reimbursement for that. I want money for that. I want to buy a new one.
I'm taking it out of the physical here right now. Like, literally, I'm taking it here because I think that was wrong. I have it in my hands now.
Yeah, I've never seen someone take a laptop and a lockpick when it's not a stolen vehicle, because those are legal items you can own. You can buy them from the store.
Yeah, I think this whole thing... Oh, is he even here yet? Because I want to tell him just to throw it out because Ash is not here. He was kind of disrespectful toward you down in the cells.
I know. I was trying to talk to him, but he just wasn't ready.
Let me give this to you real quick. I feel this is wrong for him to do that. Oh my god, fucking people are going down. Hey, Judge.
Fuck. Hello, Your Honor.
It's Adler.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Bowman?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, personally, sir, I try to get this thing thrown out because the main arresting officer's not even here in the first place, and I felt like it was kind of a wrongful arrest. I'm gonna say that right now. Especially taking the items for a truck that he told me to take and put the evidence that I think it was fucked up. And the way he treated her down the cells, yeah. So
Well, it's kind of convenient that he's not here because I was going to establish a timeline that he has had problems.
You saw what he
against her
had
in the
going on,
past.
right?
Yeah. That I can't blame him for not being.
Yeah, I'm the only one that really is gonna be. I'll speak on, like I said, the judge. I mean, we don't even have to have this whole thing. We just speak to him real quick and just be over with because it's kind of a waste of time.
Yeah, because there's really no physical evidence of the charge.
There isn't.
He didn't take a picture of the radar.
He didn't do a very good job. It's Donald said I was supposed to be here, and Hawthorne, and myself, but I don't see any of them on duty. I don't think.
Well, someone is who's that? Is that one of your friends?
Hawthorne, and yeah, they're not even on duty, man. I'm the only one that's a part of this whole thing, so this is ridiculous. There ain't no one here but me. I came as backup.
I mean, forget about reckless driving. I wasn't even speeding that much. He said he turned around when he looked at my truck.
What was your speed exactly? Because
well, her truck is like a shitty Class B with no upgrades.
It's a car, yeah.
It's not even upgraded, by the way. I still have it. It's not upgraded at all. Nothing is installed in my vehicle.
Yeah, my statement doesn't even make sense. Well, it doesn't even have anything to do with it.
Well, the only person who saw her speeding was him, and the second
and he's not
he
here.
even said she complied and pulled
she did.
over.
No, she did. She did comply. She did 101 miles an hour, it says here, which is only 26 over, which is a Class 3 speed ticket. But
well, isn't it 25 plus for reckless?
Bailey,
you can
do you remember what reckless is? Is it? I think it's more than that.
Oh, is it more than that?
I think it's more than 25.
Oh shit!
And that she doesn't show up on someone's.
I think it's more than that. I'm pretty sure it's 30, 40 plus.
I think it's 55 plus because third degree.
Oh yeah, it would be reckless.
For first degree speeding is up to 55 over.
Oh, she wasn't even doing that. Any close.
Well, it doesn't have a specific.
He didn't even record the speed on his the photos, did he? Because I don't see anything like that.
Yeah, he didn't even.
And there's no radar.
You don't need
radar. Yeah.
You don't need radar.
Oh well, so.
Just kind of have reasonable suspicion.
Is he the judge? Because I can hear him.
You as a police officer, with your experience, can determine if someone is speeding and going well over 45 miles an hour. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct.
So
the issue is in his statement, he clarified that there was radar. Anyways, now that you hear you're on there, yeah.
I don't like when people
That's what
think
he said, but he didn't put it in there. That's what Ash said, at least. So.
You can't hear the judge?
Oh my God, there's a lot of gunfire.
Yeah, supposedly there's like a shootout going.
Take a nap quickly. I'll be right back.
Yeah, she can't hear you. You're on there. She's going to take a nap real quick.
No worries.
So did you hear, guys? It was totally a fake arrest. He shouldn't have arrested me. Like, yeah, speeding ticket, sure. Go ahead, give it to me. I understand that one. But why did he had to arrest me? I'm in queue right now, 1 out of 6 right now, and I really hope I get in quickly. Oh, I'm getting in! Yay! I'm getting in now. I am so happy after listening to him. I'm so happy when I heard him saying that it was all like, he shouldn't have done that. He shouldn't. I'm so happy and and I was right. That means I was right. See?
Welcome back.
You, if you're not a cop.
What's up?
I was asking, who are you if you're not a cop? Wait, with
It's me.
who?
It's Vic. Yeah.
Vic? Oh, I'm so
Eh,
sorry. I didn't know that was you over there. I thought you were a cop. That's what I said. I'm not talking to you, you know? Oh.
No, I figured I'd come down and make just moral support. Sit back here, make sure you got through this. Doesn't seem like there's going to be any issues, like I said. So.
Thank you. But did you hear that cop? It was all like, he shouldn't have done that.
No. Yeah, he had the same opinion that we all had about it. So.
After that, he took my laptop. Like, that is crazy. I wouldn't have actually pled not guilty, but he took my laptop and everything. I was like, that is crazy. I'm taking this ticket.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
And I want to
you
stay
did.
away.
But
I want to stay
now I guess
away.
the arresting officer isn't even showing up now, so it's probably just going to get dropped completely.
Yeah. I want my money back for my laptop, my lockpick, because they are not good. And I bought both of them that day. Lockpick was bad though, because I was using it. So, but not the laptop.
Yeah, there's a lot of shooting outside.
And thank you for showing up though. I appreciate it.
Yeah. I was worried there might be an issue with me coming here, but yeah, no one's really said anything. So
I don't think there would be any issue. Like, Even if there's a court case and I want to attend, I always go and watch it. There's no issue in that.
Yeah. I've never heard of them having an issue with people sitting in here unless, you know, being a nuisance. So.
Yeah, exactly. Some people actually do create nuisance. I'm like, nah, if I'm there in courthouse, there to watch it, you know, what's gonna happen, what
Yeah.
exactly happened. That's it.
That's another reason I'm here. I'm here to try to learn a little bit, you know, see how this process plays out a little bit for future reference.
Oh,
I'm getting
yeah,
busier and busier these days.
it's your first court case. I mean, you didn't take a case yet, did you? Not this side.
I haven't been assigned anything yet, no. But I might have some things coming up soon, so really here to do some homework. Headaches are really bad here right now.
I know. I couldn't even hear the judge. That's why I had to take a nap.
Hopefully you'll be able to hear him now.
So, how's your life going on?
Busier and busier each day. More people find out that I'm an attorney, the more my phone rings. But that's a good problem to have.
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez, they're still shooting.
Mhm. They should be happy that I always pull over, no matter which vehicle I drive. Like, cops even told me I didn't think you would pull over. I was like, why wouldn't I? They're like, because you're in that vehicle? I'm like, it doesn't matter. I'm always going to pull over. If it's a traffic stop, I'm going to pull over. Unless I'm in different situation, that'll be different. But a traffic stop is there, you know, people want to talk and have a traffic stop. I understand that stuff. Yeah. I'm not gonna run.
Well, especially on that. I don't know, getting away in what you were driving.
I mean, that
But
was a
yeah,
big class
like-
truck. Like a truck. Really. And that is not even upgraded, by the way. It's like, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I would suggest probably standing over there at attention, waiting for them. I think they're talking amongst themselves, trying to just figure this out and settle it. So
Oh,
it's,
I don't want to interrupt
yeah.
them. That's fine. Well, I'll go there. Bye.
So they're offering to lower your driving charge down to an infraction of negligent driving. And so it would only be 2 points on your license or on the car, and then you
But
would
there'll be
only get an
points on my
infraction.
vehicle.
I think it's on your license, not on the vehicle. I can double check that. And
Oh.
then as far as the possession charge, they're willing to argue that in court. But since
Okay.
Ash is not here, it's hard for me to be able to rebut the reckless driving charge. So they're willing to negotiate that down to an infraction and then still process the possession charge in court.
Okay. What about my laptop? That's bad. Are they gonna give me money for my laptop and my lockpick, please, or no? I actually worry most about laptop, to be honest. Is the
Yeah,
one
that will be something we have to civil sue about. I can ask them real quick and see what they have in mind for that. So let me see. So the infraction is 2 points on your vehicle.
My vehicle.
Yeah, and if you wanted to get money for the laptop or anything, that is a civil matter.
I see. Okay. Hey, it is what it is.
So do you want to accept the negligent driving, get the 2 points, and then we just see if we can argue this position?
Do you wanna actually make sure, like, do you wanna actually come back when Ash is there so you can actually
We
talk to him?
can, but the issue is scheduling. We're running like really tight on scheduling because you're about to be on vacation for a week, and this has already been out for a week. We don't know when Ash will be available based on what they said in the docket.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, he gonna be busy and I'm gonna be busy too. So how about we can do it after my vacation? I'm sure he'll be back soon and then we can do it.
Okay. Okay, so are you wanting to argue this in court?
Yeah, because whatever Ash did, you heard that cop too. It wasn't fair. It wasn't fair, and I'm telling you, it was personal against me. So I just want to make sure that he doesn't do it again with me, and I just want to stay away from that person from now on. Like, I just want to stay away from that person so that he doesn't do it again with me. And good thing that cop was there, and he agrees whatever he did wasn't right with me. It wasn't. And I don't think any cop would agree.
So it definitely sounds like she wants to take it to court. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes,
And she
sir.
wants a proper, yeah. So let's reschedule for a different date.
So, just to be fair, are we rescheduling this entire trial or only the negligent driving charge?
Well, if we can get the reckless driving charge tossed, we could
It
pre-trial
already- it
right now
already
if you
has been.
want.
That's what I've been trying to like conclude. I've already dropped the reckless driving charge. I've moved the reckless driving charge to a negligent driving. It's a infraction with a $375 fine with 2 points added to the vehicle. So no longer a felony, no jail time, no nothing. It's simply the possession of contraband in the 3rd degree and the negligent driving. So if she
And
only
we can
wants to
argue
fight
the
them-
possession today, right?
We can do the possession today, yes, but if we're going to do the possession today, that means that the infraction will then go to another trial, and it would be a traffic court. We would not do a whole nother. We wouldn't need a pre-trial. It would simply just be she pays the infraction, or they can argue it in traffic court.
Thing is, sir, I'm ready to pay the fine, but 2 points on my vehicle, I don't think it's fair, and I don't think that should have happened because it was just a traffic stop, and just because I didn't hear, he said he said that I was not yielding with his orders. I was like, how am I not yielding if I didn't hear the sirens? It wasn't fair, and I don't think I should get the points. Yeah, I'll pay the fine. I
And-
agree with that for
and-
sure.
Yes, ma'am. That would be something you could argue in traffic court, though. Or
See.
we can attempt to argue it here if you still wanted to, but like your lawyer has said, you do want to wait until the arresting officer is here, and that's totally fine.
Yeah, because he wanna question him and the other officers because I don't think other officers agree with the arresting officer. But it was him who was primary, that's why they didn't say anything. But I don't think they agree with him though at the same time.
I mean,
Yeah, and-
that's fine. That's the agreeing thing has nothing to do with what we're asking you, Miss Shaw. We're asking you if you would like to proceed today with what your lawyer has probably already told you, or would you like to take the deal that Mr. Adler is presenting you with dropping the reckless driving to an infraction of negligent driving and then keeping the contraband charge?
The thing is, I don't want that because my vehicle, if I wasn't recklessly driving, then that means my vehicle should not be searched. That means I wouldn't have got
Well,
arrested.
And that's
No.
another thing I'll argue here today about that entirely. But he just wants that we can argue the possession charge, but he
Okay,
just
I
wants to know
mean-
if you want to take the infraction.
I mean, I'm fine with paying the money, but I don't want points on my vehicle. That's one thing. And second thing,
Okay.
I don't want.
So we're gonna have to reschedule this and go to and get everyone there, if that's the case. So which is no problem at all. I don't mind it. So we just have to reschedule. That's what it comes down to.
Sure.
So, I'm not going to bug the officer in question right now. But maybe tomorrow I will. And if I forget, please.
Yeah,
Don't
I'll
let me
reach
forget.
out to you.
Yeah. And we'll figure out a different day and time that everyone is available. Hopefully before the 14th. Well, I can almost guarantee you. Well, I don't know about anyone's schedule, but if I can, it'll definitely be before the 14th. Okay.
That's fine with me.
we're
Is that fine with
rescheduling
you?
the entire trial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm
Can
going
I
to say
ask
this.
one question though, if you don't mind?
Hold on. I'm going to say this. Anything that you want to add, change, or anything, Mr. Adler, in your office, you can do so. But if we are rescheduling this, I do not want to see I don't want to see an infraction. I'm going to be honest with you, because that's
Well, yeah, it'd be a
you know,
point at time at this point.
yeah, that's yeah.
Can I
You
ask
don't
my
have to. You know,
question?
you have to advise us now. Just
Yeah,
I'm just letting you.
We can do a we can reschedule the hearing if it's gonna be sometime next week, because this weekend does not work for me. I would like to still be the prosecutor for this, so if we can, if it's gonna be sometime next week, Your Honor, just anytime after 5.
I'm assuming that
Eastern.
based on what we got from Ash, they're going to be at least a couple of days.
Yeah.
Potentially, yeah. We'll have to check with them, and I'm not really too worried about the other two officer statements because they haven't even done anything in court in the docket. They haven't said if they can be there or not. Just simply one said they won't be there. Ash is just mainly the main officer that's needed.
Well, it sounds like to me that Mr. Cortez is relying on other officers with his questions as well.
At least Mr. Bowman and Ash. If we can't get the other ones, then we can figure that out.
Okay. Well, they.
Can I ask my question, sir, if you don't mind?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Can we not ask questions to Mr. Bowman today because he's available right now? Can we
Negative.
not
That's what we're saying. Is if you want to ask questions today, we need to have the trial today. But if we're gonna wait to reschedule the trial, then we're gonna have to wait to ask him the questions. Your attorney, myself included.
My attorney needs both Ash and Mr. Bowman and
Yeah,
the other
and that's what
officers.
we're aware of. So that's the reason that the trial is going to need to be rescheduled.
Okay. Fine.
All right. Sounds good to everyone. We're in agreement. Mr. Cortez.
Yeah, that's fine with me if that's what she wants to do.
Okay. Sounds good. Let's just keep a lookout on the docket and we'll schedule a different day. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Oops. Let me get out. Can walk without having headaches.
Yeah, I can't either. I think everyone's having headaches right now. I think it's a city thing.
It is pretty rough right now.
Yeah, like every 5 to 10 seconds, it's migraine city.
Let's see.
Got rescheduled.
Yeah, the officer in question did not show up.
I can't walk. I have to take a nap. I just can't. Anyways, I'll see you on next date
Yeah,
then.
we'll keep in touch, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep, and make sure you grab her stuff from the front desk.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
should probably go down and do that before you go, yeah.
I took a nap before,
That way you
so
don't forget and nothing happens to it, you know, they don't keep everything.
I took a nap before, so it doesn't matter. Relogging. I just hope everything is good now. I was having so much headache. I couldn't walk for 10 seconds without having headache.